Find the sum of first positive integers which are divisible by 6. The first number which is divisible by 6 is 6. The next number is 12. The next number is 18 and so on. We have to find the sum of first 40 positive integers. Here A is 6. D is 6 because it is divisible by 6. 12 minus 6 is 6. So, it is in AP. N is 40. Now we can use the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N is 40. We have taken it by 2. 2 into a is 6 plus n is 40. 40 minus 1. D is 6. 40 divided by 2 is 20. 2 into 6 is 12. 40 minus 1 is 39 into 6. 20, 12 plus 6 9s are 54, carry 5, 18 plus 5, 23. 20 into 246. That is equal to, put 0, 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8, 1 9, 2 2s are 4. So, sum of first 40 positive integers is 4920. So, S40 is equal to 4920. The same sum can also be done by second method. Here the terms are 6, 12, 80. The last term is 6 into 40. That is 240. Here we can use the easier formula, that is n by 2 into a plus l. Here n is 40, we know it, by 2 a is 6, L is 240. Actually we need not write this one. This is 20, 240 plus 6, 246, 0, 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8, plus 1 9, 2 2s are 4. Here we can use still another method, which is the most easiest method, by using the formula sigma n, which is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. This is the sum of natural numbers. Here we can use sigma 40. Why? We have to find the sum of 40 positive integers, means sigma 40 into 6. Why? We have to find the sum of numbers which are divisible by 6. So, 6 into n is 40, n plus 1 is 41 upon 2. 2 1s are 2 20s are. You can cut any one of these two. 2 20s are. That is equal to 6 into 20, 120 into 41. 0, 12 ones are 12, 12 fours are 48, plus 149. You can use this trick to in solving multiple choice questions. Divide p of x, that is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3 by g of x, that is equal to x square minus x plus 1, and find the quotient k of x and remainder r of x. Here p of x is x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. We have to divide it by g of x, that is equal to x square minus x plus 1. First term of p of x and first term of g of x. Divide. X cube by x square is x. Then multiply x into x square is x cube minus x into minus x is minus x square, x into 1 is plus x. Then change the sign, x cube and x cube get cancels, minus 3x square plus 2x square is negative of 2x square plus 5x minus x positive of 4x minus 3. First term of it is divided by first term of it. Minus 2x square divided by x square is negative of 2. Minus 2 into x square minus 2x square minus 2 into minus x plus 2x minus 2 into plus 1 minus 2. Plus 4x minus 2x, 2x plus 3 minus 3 plus 2 minus 1. So q of x is x minus 2. R of x is 2x minus 1. Prove that secant A minus cos A into cot A plus tan A is equal to tan A into secant A. Now let us take down LHS. Secant A minus cos A into cot A plus tan A. Now let us convert all the ratios into sine and cos ratios. Secant A is equal to 1 by cos A minus cos A. Cot A is cos A by sin A. Tan A is sin A by cos A. Here LCM is cos A. 1 minus cos square A in the numerator into, here LCM is sin A into cos A, in the numerator cos square A plus sin square A. 1 minus cos square A is equal to sin square A. By the identity, sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1 by cos A into cos square A plus sin square A is equal to 1 by sin A into cos A. Here one of the sins A get cancels in the numerator. Sin A by cos A is equal to tan A into 1 by cos A is equal to secant A. Now it is equal to RHS. That is RHS. Hence proved. If A, B and C are the interior angles of a triangle, then prove that 1 plus tan square A plus B by 2 is equal to cosecant square C by 2. Observe LHS. This is 1 plus tan square A plus B by 2. Now we can write it as secant square A plus B by 2. Why? 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. Let the RHS be like it only. We know that secant and cosecant are reciprocal ratios. Means secant 90 minus theta is equal to cosecant theta. So now let us do a trick. We know that sum of all the interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Now let us divide both sides by 2. So that is equal to, now separate A plus B by 2 from C by 2. We need A plus B by 2, C by 2. So that is equal to 90. It implies that, now let us move C by 2 to this side, means 90 minus C by 2. Now apply secant square ratio to both sides. Secant square A plus B by 2 is equal to secant square 90 minus C by 2. Observe, LHS is same. Now we have to convert RHS this into this. We know that secant and cosecant are reciprocal ratios. Means secant 90 minus theta is equal to cosecant theta. So secant square 90 minus C by 2 is equal to cosecant square C by 2. So secant square A plus B by 2 is equal to cosecant square C by 2. Hence proved. The points A, B and C are collinear if A 1, 0, B 4, 4 and AC 8 cm, then find the coordinates of the point C. Since the points A, B and C are collinear, it should be in straight line. Let this be the point be A, this be B, this be C. Now we have to find the coordinates of C. It is given that the distance between AC is 8 cm. Here we can find the distance between AB by using distance formula, that is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Let this point be x1, y1 and this be x2, y2. So AB is equal to x2 is 4, x1 is 1. 4 minus 1, that is 3 square. Y2 is 4, y1 is 0. 4 minus 0, 4. The square. So AB is equal to square root of 9 plus 16. So AB is equal to square root of 25. AB is equal to 5 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter. Why? Here BC is equal to AC minus AB. So now the point B divides the line segment AC internally in the ratio of 5:3. So m is to n is equal to what? 5:3. Now we have to find the coordinates of the point C. Let the coordinates of the point C be x2, y2. This point be x, y, and the coordinates of y be x1, y1. Now we can find the coordinates of C by using section formula. According to section formula, coordinate of x is equal to m x2 plus n x1 upon m plus n. Coordinate of y is equal to m y2 plus n y1 upon m1 plus m plus n. Now let us substitute the value of x. X is equal to 4, m is 5, x2 we have to find out, n is 3, x1 is 1 by 5 plus 3, that is 8. Now cross multiply, this is 32 equal to 5x2 plus 3. x2 5x2 is equal to 32 minus 3, that is 29. It implies that x2 is equal to 29 by 5. So x coordinate of C is 29 by 5. Okay. Now let us find y2. Here y is 4 plus m is 5, y2 we have to find out, n is 3, y1 is 0 upon 5 plus 3, that is 8. Here cross multiply, 32 is equal to 5y2 plus 0. So 5y2 is equal to 32. y2 is equal to 32 by 5. So y coordinate of the point C is 32 by 5. So coordinates of the point C is 29 by 5, 32 by 5. Calculate the mean for the following frequency distribution table. We have been given a table. Add 2 more columns to this table, because one for midpoint, another for Fi, Xi, that is frequency into midpoint. As mean is equal to sigma Fi Xi upon sigma Fi. Okay, midpoint means 5 plus 15, 20, 20 by 2, 10, 15 plus 25, 40, this is 20, so this is 30, midpoint, 40 is the midpoint, 50 is the midpoint. Now multiply frequency 4 and 10, that is 40, 6 20s are 120, 5 30s are 150, 6 40s are 240, 4 50s are 200. Now it is time to calculate sigma Fi Xi. Means we have to sum of the things. 0, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 4, 15. Carry 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 750. So mean is equal to 750. Just now we have calculated sigma fi xi upon sigma fi, that is n, 25. 25 threes are 75, 0, 25. So mean is equal to 30. Calculate mode for the following frequency distribution table. We have been given frequency distribution table. We have to calculate mode. The formula for mode is L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. What is L here? L is the lower class limit of the modal class. Oh, so here 7 is mode, okay. Its frequency is highest. So 20 to 25 is modal class. So 20 is L. Lower class limit is 20. H is the class size. We know it is 25 minus 20, that is 5. H is 5 here. Okay. Then F1, frequency of the modal class. So F1 is 7. Now F0, frequency of the class preceding to the modal class. This is modal class. Class preceding to modal class is 15 to 20. 3 is the frequency of class preceding to the model class. So F0 is 3. Now F2, frequency of the class succeeding to the model class. Class succeeding to model class is 25 to 30. Its frequency is 6. So F2 is 6. Now let us calculate mode by substituting the values. So mode is equal to L is 20 plus F1 is 7 minus F0 is 3 upon 2 into F1 is 7, F0 is 3 minus F2 is 6 into H is 5. So 20 plus 7 minus 3 is 4. This is 14. 14 minus 9. What is it? 5. Into 5. Here 5 and 5 can get cancels. So now we have 20 plus 4, that is equal to 24. So mode is equal to 24. Daily income of 50 workers of a factory were recorded as follows. Draw less than type of ogive for the given data. This is the data. Now let us have x-axis and y-axis. Along the x-axis, daily income, that is upper limits. Let us have upper limits along x-axis and the frequency along y-axis. Let us have 1 centimeter 20 units in x-axis. Let us have a kink here. This is 100. 1 centimeter means 120 here. This is 140. This is 160. This is 180. And y-axis 1 centimeter means 5 units. This is 5, this is 10, this is 15, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. For 100 it is 10, 120 it is 25, 140 it is 35, 160, 40, 180, 50. Join the points by a smooth curve. This is less than type of ogive. Prove that the tangents at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. What is given here? A circle with center O. And also tangent. Let it be xy. Let P be the point of contact. Tangent xy and P is the point of contact. OP is the radius. Through the point of contact. Then to prove, OP is perpendicular to xy. Construction. Q is any point on circle tangent xy. Other than P, you can put here also, here also, here also, like that. Okay. Then join OQ. Let D be the point which cuts circle. D be the point on OQ which cuts the circle. So proof. OQ is greater than OD. OD is equal to OP, this point. Why? Radii of the same circle. Let this be 1 and this be 2. So OQ is greater than OP. Why? From 1 and 2. If Q is here also, OQ is greater than OP. Here also OQ is greater than OP. So we can conclude that OP is the shortest distance. Shortest distance from center to tangent. So OP is perpendicular to XY. Hence proved. Construct a triangle with sides 5 cm, 6 cm and 8 cm. Then construct another triangle whose sides are 3 by 4 of the corresponding sides of the first triangle. The resultant figure will be like this. Here B, C dash, A dash will be the required triangle. The sides of a square touch the circle of radius R as shown in the figure. If the area of the shaded region is 42 cm square, then find the radius of the circle. It is given that radius of the circle is R. So side of the square is R plus R. Diameter and side are parallel, so they are equal to each other. Side of the square 2R, and it is given that area of the shaded region (42 centimeter square). By looking at the figure, we can say that area of the shaded region is equal to area of the square minus area of the circle. So 42 is equal to area of the square minus area of the circle. It implies that 42 is equal to area of the square is 2R the square, because area of the square is side square means 2R square. Area of the circle is pi R square. which is equal to 42 is equal to 4r square minus 5r square. Here you can see r square is common. So 42 is equal to r square into 4 minus 5. So 42 is equal to r square into 4 minus 22 by 7. So 42 is equal to r square into 28 minus 22 by 7. So 42 is equal to r square 6 by 7. So r square is equal to 42. This becomes reciprocal 7 by 6. 6 ones are 6 sevens are 42. So r is equal to 7 centimeter. R square is equal to 7 square. So r is equal to 7 centimeter. In the figure, area of the sector OAB is 231 centimeter square and length of the arc AB is 22 centimeter. Find the radius of the circle. Means we have to find the distance between AO. Okay. Area of the sector formula is theta by 360 into pi r square. We are given that it is equal to 231 and the length of the arc formula is theta by 360 into 2 pi r, that is equal to 22 centimeter. Now we have to find the radius. Now let this be equation 1 and this be equation 2. Now let us divide 1 by 2. That is equal to theta by 360 upon theta by 360 into pi r square upon 2 pi r. Here this and this get cancels, this and this get cancels, r, that is equal to 231 upon 22. So r by 2 is equal to 11 2s are 11, 2s are 1s are 21 by 2. Here 2 and 2 get cancels. It implies that r is equal to 21. So radius is equal to 21 centimeter.